Assalamualaikum, welcome to another tutorial of UKTechtions. So today we will learn how to use while loop in Swift programming language. So before starting a tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. I'm giving you 2 seconds, tick tick 1, tick tick 2, and hope you subscribe it. So what we have covered in last tutorial, we covered for loop, right? And today we will learn how to use while loop. What is the syntax of while loop? Because loops are always same, but the conditions and the syntax are different and the type is different. So let's see how to use while loop. We will type here while and let's initialize the variable count equals to 0, then while count is less than 10, we use brackets here and add here condition print variable count, right? And then we have to increment the value using count plus 1. So this is the easiest example in any programming language, and that's right. So what it will do, it print the count from 0 to 10. So let's see what it will return. So what it prints the count value. So let's say we have to use a loop that will never end. So we use here true condition, the loop will never end, and we will print here print I am alive, right? So it's printing alive, I am alive, I am alive multiple time, right? Infinite time up till loop. While using while true means we are using an infinite loop. So I don't want to use it for now. So let's say I'll use here a bar variable is true and then equals to true, right? So just define here is true, right? And then we will change here the value is true equals to false, right? So just run it and let's see the result. So what it did, it just return I am alive when it's returned and the value of true is true is false, then the loop is exit, right? So we can use while loop as an infinite loop also, like if is true is equals to false, right? So what it will do, we have just simply write here the condition that if is true means true is equals to true, then you have to run the while loop. If the condition is equal to false, what it will do, it will never run the condition, it will never run this loop, right? So let's see what it will do. It doesn't run this loop because the condition is false. So what I'm trying to say, there is a loop which repeat and repeat like this. We define here the statement and while is true like this. This is the condition, and we are trying here to not to use loop if the condition is true is equals to false. So let's try this condition and we will print here print I am alive from repeat loop like this. So condition is false, right? The condition is false but the value is true, so it will print this line once and then will never run this loop. So let's try this and see what it will return. Or I just forgot to mention here the false also right here, and if the value of false is this, so the I am alive will never print, but the I am alive from repeat will run. Okay, so what it print I am alive from a repeat loop, right? The condition is while we tried both condition. In while loop we just use if it's true is false, then print this, but in repeat loop we says the statement is this, if the condition is this, then print it infinitely, right? So it never print this statement, but it prints this statement, because repeat says that print or do this job or once and then allow this condition by using this while loop. So hope you will like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button. If you want to ask something, or if you have to advise something, you can comment on under comment section. Also like our Facebook page, which is UKTechtions Tutorial, and subscribe my channel, which is UKTechtions Tutorial. We will be back with amazing tutorials, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.